Hiro-san, we are here today.
Yeah, very good afternoon, and we're having the 6 days straight raining and cloudy weather like this, you know. But
Yeah.
anyway, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And look at this car. This car owner wanna be the Pagani or something, you know.
It's a Pagani style.
Yeah.
This is called a rice rocket. So Hiro, we're going to do something really interesting today.
Today is gonna do some interesting.
Junk food sushi.
Yeah,
Let's
like-
go look for some junk food, okay Hiro?
So
All right, let's go. What do you got there, Hiro?
this is look at egg, right?
Some kind of egg, right?
Boiling egg with a
Really interesting.
sitting like this.
How about jackfruit chips? You want to try that one? So we're here at Speedway, picking up the rest of our junk food to see what Hiro can come up with. Hiro, I think this is going to be a great episode for a lot of junk food people, you know?
Junk food people.
A lot of junkies, yeah. Probably they were watching you on their couch eating junk food, so now we're going to celebrate that and get some more junk food, okay? And what better place than Speedway? They got a bunch of stuff. Let's check it out. Let's get a few Pringles, Hiro. You never tried these? Look, let's get the original. Oh, we gotta get chicharron, pork skins. This is a must. This one, right? Pork skins. Let's do this one. Yeah. Oh, we hit the jackpot right here. Oh yeah. So let's do we gotta get some white cheddar popcorn. Let's get some Flamin' Hot. It's always a good idea. Have some Doritos Blaze. And we need to do something with Cheetos. Love Cheetos. Okay. Let's see what else. And I think we should get maybe a Flamin' Hot Ruffles. Add a little spiciness to it.
We need some cream too, right?
Which one here? Oh, some of these? It's up to you. You want it? What flavor do you like?
The scoop one.
Want this one?
Yeah. I can do something.
Okay. Here, hold on. Here.
It's almost same product.
Yeah, very similar.
But what the difference is with?
Well, the flavor, the taste. You know, the one is Doritos, Ruffles. These are different. Pringles. Yeah, they're all kind of similar. Well, now, what flavor do you like here? Chunky salsa? You want ranch? This one?
Yeah.
Okay. This is queso blanco.
Actually, maybe the cheese one fine.
Cheese?
I need a kind of stick one, like a put it together, you know.
Okay. Very good. Here we are, back to Hiro's studio. Got a bunch of stuff here for his gas station junk food sushi episode. I can't wait to see what Hiro does with this. It's gonna be really interesting, Hiro.
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
For this phone.
I think after this you're gonna be the expert though, so let's see what happens. We're back at the studio. We laid everything out and just want to go through some of this with y'all. Some Asian junk food and American junk food. Stuff you pick at an Asian supermarket and some of you just pick up at a gas station. Check this stuff out. Unbelievable. Pocky. These are really fun. It's like chocolate over a biscuit. Some other chocolate covered cookies. You got, of course, chicharron, Doritos, Pringles, Flamin' Hot Ruffles, Funyuns, Cheetos regular, and you got Cheetos Puffs. You got these crunchy Flamin' Hot. Nothing would be complete if you don't get the Tostitos. These are these roasted green peas with a wasabi covering. Really good. Dried squid. We got this sent from Super Snack Time. The guys at Epic Mealtime. Harley in the group, they sent this to us to give it a try. And then, of course, some scoops. Hiro, you ready for this delicious
Actually, now
junk food sushi?
All on the table, especially for now. Everything I away from those food right now.
So no tasting part later?
Actually, even this kind of this stuff, I never had it before.
You never had?
This.
Okay, so that's going to be good. You're going to be trying it for the first time.
This is what we call kappa ebisen. It's a when I was in Japan, actually, I was eating all the time.
Yeah.
But potato chips, this stuff, not really.
We'll try it. This is the first attempt. Make something crazy out of this.
So at this point, I have no idea what to do.
Okay.
Totally no idea. What's, what? I have to see that some idea.
Yeah.
Come up with idea. So.
All right, it'll be interesting. Hope you guys watch the video.
Basically, we're gonna do sushi, right?
Yeah. All kinds of sushi here.
So different shape and different combination.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll try it out and see.
With the sushi rice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Real Japanese kochi hikari rice.
I think sushi rice first we should mix it with maybe something.
Yeah, maybe
let's
some.
see,
Yeah, that's true. I like the idea. Maybe crunch, make some Cheetos in there, or chicharron.
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay, Hiro.
All right.
Thank you.